Now, left click inbox. Oh, apparently I've got a draft. Now, left click. Oh, John, the wheel's gone loopy, white scallop, and mail. Dear Professor Dumbledore, my name is Lord Emmanuel Shacklebolt, and I am writing to you today to offer you a unique and lucrative opportunity. Wow, sounds good. Well, on behalf of my brother, the Prince of Nigeria, I'm honored. A recent coup in my country has forced us to flee to Ghana, and we are looking to you to help us to get out our money. Oh, how very terrible. Of course, I will help. Around 20 million US galleons and 25 kilograms of philosophers. Give us all your bank details, we will transfer the money through your account, and you will keep 10%. Easy money. We heard that you are a very generous and wise man. Well, I can like this. And thank you for your most kind help. Yours in hope, Emmanuel. What a nice man. P.S. On acceptance, please meet me in Ghana to collect your stones. We will meet at the market in the city of Sogolabo. Thank you. Again. Well, this almost sounds too good to be true. I'd better be quick. I would have just put in my pin and... Cyrus. I'm just sticking off to Ghana for a few days. Just watch the place while I'm gone from Buja.
Very well, Professor. Holiday?
No, just doing a favour for my good mate, the Prince of Nigeria. They apparently he heard what a wise, generous man I am.
Well, of course, Professor. That must be why they didn't ask me. It is a...
What?
No. You have a nice day. Idiot. Living in the Temple of Harry Potter? That would be $1 billion for Gryffindor.
You can't do that. The Hogwarts Statutes is set down by Edward Bacon Musical that in paragraph 4, subsection C, that mere existence can never work in a consequence.
Found, served Snape, played Hermione, knew.
Right, that would be another $1 billion for Granger for being insufferable, though it's not quite all. As you see, in the event of a master giving powers to a temporary deputy, the rule book becomes, and I quote, null and void. Oh, go on, live a little. I mean, he did leave you in charge, and when are you going to have a chance like this again? Hey. Ding. Ah, sounds like my pot noodle's ready. And that new baked tart flavour, young. It tails off a bit at the end. The message is quite clear. Now I'm going to go make my plans to abolish Gryffindor to death.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no?
Who did it? You told me!
Oh, Mr. Weasley, that'll be 2 billion points from Gryffindor.
What?
Because, Mr. Weasley, 60 million years ago, the dinosaurs were wiped out. I hope you're ashamed of yourself.
Oh no, what are we going to do?
I know, we can't leave school in control of Frabbo and Goingo and Draco. Oh. Now I
Alright, now you're calling everybody something else based on just the build-up that is in the event,
And now the script says shit right off that now.
That really wasn't. It's even worse than your idea to try and model things role play in the bedroom.
get Dumbledore here.
But how?
Shalom, Harry.
Oh, that was Anthony Goldstein. You know, the token Jew at Ravenclaw.
So how was it? It's Goldstein the Jew, the Indian hotels, Seamus Finnegan the Irish, and Cho Chang, way to shoehorn in some diversity, JK.
Now, that's the plan. Right, what about Wesley? What's this black welly stuff?
I expected petroleum. I expect it's petroleum. Anyways, as we said, we need a plan to get Dumbledore. That's how.
Right, I know. Why don't you start setting a false money cost proposal?
Now, too easy.
Or you could just wait for him to die and get him.
Again, a bit more easy.
What if Harry invites him to dinner?
Can't do that anyway, we will.
Sure it will. In fact, I think it's the only surefire way of getting it back.
But how does it? Wait, I know. Summon force.
How you got here, take this Alexia.
Alexia?
It heals MP and HP.
Go on.
Oh, right. Summon force.
Go for go! Come
Now we better wait again. What do you Yes! Come on!
I guess that's why I call it waiting.
You're too late to stay, Bob. Sorry, but do I really have to call him that? Really? We've sent off the Dumbledore, so your reign of tyranny will soon be over.
I see you put all your cards on the table. Little do you know, I have all the aces. I hereby expel all of Gryffindor. What the?
How dare you abuse your authority! You are herefore fired from your position as potions master. Infinity points to Gryffindor and 2 infinity points for Slytherin.
But doesn't that mean that Gryffindor wins by exactly 1 point?
What a coincidence. I hadn't noticed.
Yay! Now let's all sing a Sinai Synagogue song to really rack in the points.